answers in mind, this video will help you come up with an accurate idea on why you are existing today. Are you excited, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Among all kinds of pain that a human goes through, childbirth is generally considered to be the most severe. Yes, the pain that a female goes through is unbearable. So we have all given our mothers that intense pain while coming into this world. But have you ever wondered about how you got this life? What were the series of steps that made you grow into this structure from being a single cell? Let's have a look at this most important process that helped us gain life. Yes, I am referring to the process of fertilization. How do we define it in simplest words? Fertilization is the process in which a male gamete fuses with a female gamete, giving rise to a zygote. So how will this process begin? When one sperm among all the others is able to penetrate the egg cell, then the egg releases certain chemicals. These chemicals make sure that no other sperm will now penetrate this egg. The first step begins now when the male nucleus from the sperm fuses with the female nucleus that is already sitting right there in the big fat egg cell. The fusion stimulates a cascade of reactions which will further give rise to several successive cell divisions. The consecutive cell divisions then give rise to an embryo that will further develop into an organism. So, is this process of fertilization?
Class, I have some questions. What have you observed from the video? Snoopy?
I observed the fertilization process, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Let's give her 3 claps. What term we found in from the video?
Ma'am?
Miss Amudiba?
What is the question again, ma'am?
What term we found in from the video?
There is fertilization, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Let's give her 3 claps. Do you know what is it, class? So, okay, let's find out to our next activity. Okay, class, another video will be shown in class. But before playing the video, I have a guide questions prepared here after watching. And I will ask the following question later after viewing the video. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I will group you into 2 groups. This will be group 1 and this will be the group 2. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
His reproductive tract and reach the fallopian tubes when the egg cell awaits. The fusion of both completes the fertilization process inside our body. All higher animals like mammals exhibit this type of fertilization. Now can you guess the next type? Yes, it will be the external fertilization. As the name suggests, the process will involve fusion of gametes outside the female's body. Frogs are examples belonging to this category. In this case, the unfertilized eggs are released in the water. Now the sperms from the male body will be released on these eggs and will fertilize them. As a result, the fertilization process will be accomplished in the water outside the female's body. Many aquatic animals, including fish, exhibit this type of fertilization. This is how fertilization takes place in animals. Now the most important thing we need to know is how the embryo develops. Do watch our next video to know this important process.
Okay, class. Since you already done watching, I have some questions and all you have to do is to answer it. Group 1. Who is the representative of Group 1? Rose. please state your answer and state it. Okay, Rose, what exactly fertilization happens?
A pregnancy starts with fertilization with a woman's egg joins with a man's sperm.
Okay, thank you. Let's give her 3 claps. Group 2. Is your answer here in the board? Okay, my question is, what will happen when the egg merges to the ovule?
The sperm and egg unite in one of the fallopian tube to form a zygote.
Okay, excellent. Let's give her 3 claps. And the last, present your work. Question is, where did the egg cell travel after the egg merged to the ovule?
Our answer, ma'am, is that after fertilization, the egg and sperm very quickly merge and divide to become an embryo, and chemicals are released to other sperm from entering. Over the next 4 or 5 days, the fertilized egg continues to divide and travel towards nucleus.
Okay, very good. Let's give her 3 claps. Okay, everybody, a round of applause. Now, class, do you have an idea what will be our topic this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Who have an idea? Snooki?
Process of fertilization, ma'am.
Okay, let's find out. Let's find out. Okay, very good. Our topic this morning is all about fertilization and development. Please read, children.
Fertilization and development.
Before we proceed to our discussion this morning, I have here learning objectives that you need to attain at the end of our lesson. Okay, please read.
Describe the process of fertilization. Draw and label the structure of sperm and egg cell. Give importance of fertilization and development.
Okay, thank you. Class, have you been familiar with fertilization and development?
Yes. How long, ma'am?
Okay, class. Listen for my discussion. Okay. Fertilization is the process in which haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid cell called a zygote. To ensure that each zygote has the correct number of chromosomes, only one sperm can fuse with an egg. Please read, children.
Is the process in which haploid gametes fuse to form a diploid cell called a zygote. Ensure that each zygote has a correct number of chromosomes. Only one sperm can fuse with one The single zygote begins to divide into a solid ball of cells. Then it becomes a hollow ball of cells called a blastocyst, attaching to the lining of matter.
The third one is embryonic stage. The major internal organs and external features begin to emerge, forming an embryo. In this stage, the heart, brain, and spinal cord become visible. Arms, legs start develop. Okay, please repeat, children.
The major internal organs and external features begin to emerge, forming an embryo. In this stage, the heart, brain, and spinal cord become visible. Arms and legs start to develop.
Okay, thank you. The last one is fetal stage. One-form features of the embryo begin to grow and develop. The organism is considered a fetus. Again, children, please read.
One-form features of the embryo begin to grow and develop. The organism is considered a fetus.
Okay, children, what are the stages of human development? Angilay?
Zygotic stage, blastocyst stage, embryonic stage, fetal stage, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. One class is the structure of sperm cell. Okay, this structure of sperm cell, there are three parts. Divided into middle piece, head, and a tail. Okay, again, class, how many how many parts of the structures of sperm cell divided into? Okay.
The structure of sperm cell now divided into three. The head and the middle piece and the tail.
Okay, thank you. Is she correct?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give her 3 claps. There are head, middle piece, and the tail. The head of the sperm contains nucleus. Nucleus that possesses genetic information in the form of DNA. The next is the structure of egg cell. The structure of egg cell, on the other side, in ovarian female has 2 layers. The zona pellucida and the corona radiata. Okay, class. Children, what are the 2 layers of the structure of egg cell? Miss Maliba.
The first layers of chromosome are the zona and the corona radiata.
Is she correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's give her 3 claps.
your work?
We are the group one, and we are assigned to draw the sperm cell. This is our drawing. This part of the sperm cell is called the head, and this part is called the middle piece, and this part is called the tail.
Okay, give her a round of applause. Yay! For the group 2 is the representative.
Good morning, everyone. I am from
We are group 2 and we are assigned to draw a structure of egg cell. And this is our art. The structure of egg cell consists of 4. And these are cytoplasm, nucleus, and cortical granule. And polarization and zonal radiation. Okay, if you group 2, let's give her 3 claps. Now, I will take your work. Is the group